Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Welcome back, Visibility Hackers. In this episode, we'll be sharing 5 proven tips to help you supercharge your content marketing strategy. If you follow these tips, you too can create content that not only engages your audience, but also drives higher conversions. And that's what we want, right? So buckle up and let's dive in.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Tip number 1 is to understand your target audience. The first step in creating a successful content marketing strategy is to understand who you're targeting, your target audience. You need to know their needs, their preferences, their pain points to create content that really resonates with them. Invest time in audience research and create detailed buyer personas, customer avatars, or whatnot to guide your content creation process. I know so often when I'm working with customers, this is the stage they want to skip because they feel it's boring. It doesn't immediately give you rewards, but I promise you, all of your branding efforts, all of your marketing efforts are tied to how detailed an understanding of your target audience you have. How deeply can you connect to their pain points, to the information that you have about where they are and where they want to go? Of course, my second tip for you is to use the 3P content strategy. If you don't know what that is, we talked about it in our last episode, so definitely check that out. But implementing what we call the 3P content strategy or the Park, Porch, Party content strategy engages your customers at different stages in their journey. Here's a quick recap. First, we start at the top of the funnel with park content. This generates awareness among a broad audience. You step down a level more intimately. This is now where we call our porch content, like the porch of your house. You invite people over. This is a little bit more deeper in the level of intimacy. This content deepens engagement. And then finally, when you've had that conversation with people and you realize that they have warmed up enough that they are ready to purchase your offer, that's where we step into the realm of party content, which targets your potential customers with tailored offers. By creating content for each stage, you can effectively guide your audience along that customer journey in a way that doesn't feel icky like a used car salesman, but feels authentic, feels as if you're reading their minds because you're following along and creating content based on what we talked about in tip number 1, understanding your customer avatar. Tip number 3 is to leverage dynamic demonstrations. That's what we've been talking about all week. Dynamic demonstrations can be a powerful way to capture your audience's attention and create those memorable experiences. Whether we're talking about live events, product launches, book launches, whatever it is, using those to engage your audience with captivating online content, real life content, whatever it is, these dynamic demonstrations help build that anticipation and excitement around your brand. So be creative. Think about how you can incorporate dynamic demonstrations into your content and your marketing efforts. Tip number 4, say it with me, measure and analyze your efforts. Continuously improving your content marketing strategy is crucial. Consistently measure and analyze your marketing efforts. Figure out what's working. Optimize your content from that information. Plan your content strategy based on the information that your audience is giving you based on their behavior. Track these key metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions to identify areas for improvement. This data-driven approach will help you refine your strategy and achieve better results over time. And when you combine that with a deep understanding of who your target customer is, you're going to be skyrocketing your reach and skyrocketing your engagement. Finally, tip number 5, we want to optimize your content for SEO, which means search engine optimization, and share it across multiple channels to maximize your reach and engagement. So by ensuring your content is easy to discover by search engines, that's what search engine optimization is. It's talking about keywords, it's talking about key phrases, it's talking about making sure the right information and searchable terms are organically written throughout your content. By ensuring that your content is easily discoverable by search engines and accessible to your audience on a variety of different platforms, you can increase its impact and its effectiveness. You can increase your reach and increase your engagement through that. This is step 1 in building your stage for your to become the expert you truly are destined to be. But SEO, that's a whole, we can write entire weeks of episodes on SEO. And if you're interested in that, definitely connect with us on our YouTube channel and let us know. Tell us in the comments. You can get all of our episodes of Visibility Hacker Radio on all of your favorite podcast platforms, as well as on the Visibility Hacker YouTube channel. So there you have it, 5 actionable steps to help you supercharge your content marketing strategy. When you understand your target audience, and then you plug in the Porch, party content strategy or the 3P content strategy, then you leverage dynamic demonstrations, constantly measuring and analyzing your efforts and optimizing your content for easy searchability. And sharing across multiple channels, you can create a winning content strategy that drives higher conversions. And that's what we want to see. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in our next one. Until then, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other. And just be wonderful.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.